Hey everyone, Larry Satchwell here, back at the bird feeding station today. It's a brisk April morning. I've gotten a lot of feedback on this feeder that says the squirrels will be in there right away. Personally, I've never seen a squirrel get on there because this one is so much easier. This is their preferred bird feeder for squirrels. But this one needs to be clean, so I'm going to take it down and replace it with this one with that special mix of suet feed that I made the other day. So I've melted the lard and the peanut butter. I used a whole jar of Kroger's Crunchy, and it looked like there was about an equal amount of peanut butter to lard, so I just used the rest of the lard. I'm going to add this sweet and salty mix. I ate the fake M&Ms out of them. They weren't very good, but it's got peanuts and sunflower seeds and raisins. 3 packages of those. And this is 4 cups of sunflower seeds. Turn the heat off. That's blue jay calling me. We don't have very many blue jays around here. Maybe he's just waiting for the special seed. Okay, let the mayhem begin. So this was a really windy day. I had 499 20-second videos to look through. This maple tree right here kept triggering the camera. Finally, a long way into this video, here is the first squirrel at almost 5 o'clock this evening. No interest in the bird feeder up at the top at all. He just finally walks away. I think I'm going to try to make it easier for them tomorrow. Well, I've lowered it as low as I dare go. And are you kidding me? Look up, little guy. You'll really enjoy that treat. Come on. Go for it. Unbelievable. Well, this one looks pretty frustrated that he can't get into this basket. I had just gotten home from a track meet and knew I needed to raise this up because the possums and possibly the raccoons would be here tonight. I thought I had it out of the reach of the raccoons, but obviously not. These raccoons are big enough that they kept
engaging our motion detector light that's out there. It looks like he is enjoying a couple of raisins or peanuts. Then about 4 o'clock in the morning, look at this mama. She either has a very bad tumor or a litter of kits at home, because she has a enormous amount of milk on her tummy there. I look forward to her bringing the little babies around.
Well, the sun is setting and I'm finished with this experiment. I really thought I could get a squirrel tempted enough to try to get into that. Maybe they just don't like suet. I'm sure they'll be back on this one tomorrow, and I'm sure the raccoon will be disappointed that he doesn't get that raisin treat tonight. But I give up.